It is God's will for me to live a soft life. It is God's will for me to live a soft life. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I want to unbox my tripod stand. Did I just say tripod stand? My gimbal. I bought a gimbal yesterday, but I was able to record because of power issues. It came in very late at night and I had to wait till this morning if I unbox. So you may or may not know I am a video editor. I don't say that often, but maybe I should be saying that often. I have a brand where I edit videos. I also shoot videos as well for events, mobile videography, reels, you know, TikTok, corporate events like weddings. Book me. So I decided to get a gimbal. I've had a tripod, like the small one and the big one, but I just needed something like really cool that I could just, you know, get the job done. And I got this. So we'll be unboxing this. I've not opened it, so everything is sealed. So let's open it. I don't know where my scissors is, so I'm just going to be using my hand to open it. It's hard. Oh, this thing was sealed like very well, and someone would think, oh, okay, yay. Then this is a lot of work. God, I beg you. I really should have just found that my scissors. I don't know where it is. Don't judge me. Let me maintain my steez after you saw me do that. So yay! This is our gimbal. This is our gimbal. This is a 3-axis smartphone stabilizer, Smart XE. What brand is this? Aochuan. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is it. So I have to take this off. I'm going to be using this to help me out, because I don't know why this thing was so sealed. It worked. Woo! Have to improvise. So this is it. This is it. So it came with the gimbal itself. This is it. Then it came with this. It's like the stand where you like do that, and I think you can open as well, because I watched a couple of videos before I bought this. Then it also came with this. It could be a charger, a charging cord. Then it also came with a manual. Right, so this looks pretty nice. So I'm super excited about getting this gimbal. I don't know how to use it. I saw a review video about this before I got it. So I'm going to go back to that video to learn how to use it. I got it. Do you want to know the price? Let me know in the comments if you want to know the price, and I'll let you know how much I got it and where I got it from, especially if you're in Abuja. I got it from a store in Abuja, and they deliver nationwide, and I think they also have a store in Lagos. So I'm going to learn how to use it. So please, if you have any events, weddings, birthdays, corporate events, and you need mobile videography coverage, I'm your girl. Please book me. I'm going to leave the details of how to contact me. You can simply just leave a comment or send me an email at 12thgrace@gmail.com. And I also have an Instagram and TikTok page and Facebook page as well. So I'm going to leave the handle on the screen. It's called TG Shot It, TG_underscore Shot It. So please book me, refer me. I'm in Abuja, but I am available to travel internationally, not just nationwide. I can travel and travel, yeah, but you know how it is. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a gimbal, maybe you have something like this, please let me know. I'll be seeing you in my next video.